Hola y bienvenidos a Module 6. This module, we're going to be talking about symptoms and conditions. Again, the page numbers are going to jump around, so make sure you check. We have like different sections of the book, so make sure you check all the page numbers. We also have three verbs, ser, tener, and estar. All three of those verbs can be used to talk about different symptoms and conditions, so make sure you go through all of those verbs. Okay, so those are the readings. There's some videos to watch. Also, it says here, upcoming assignment field specific project. So this module, we have a lot of stuff to do. I don't want you to actually start working on the field specific project this week. I just want you to read about what it is because it's an interview project and I want you to start to think about who you're going to interview. So kind of think of the timeline like module 6, think about who you want to interview. Module 7, set up your interview and maybe do the interview. And then module 8, write up your assignment and actually submit the assignment. So again, there's a ton of other stuff to do in this module. So I don't want you to actually do the field specific project. I just want you to be aware of it so that we don't get to module 8 and you're like, oh no, I don't have anybody that I can interview. Like we don't want to get that far without thinking of someone. Okay, so for the assignments, we do have a homework packet. We have speaking assignment. There's a discussion board under the readings. There's also some articles to read with statistics about Hispanic health. So make sure you read those and use those for the discussion board and get your initial post in by Wednesday. And then the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.